Are you wearing thick chains like this that is making your neck look like this? Are you sitting like this that is causing more friction and pressure on the skin of the elbows and making it look like this? Or are you shaving using wrong shaving techniques like these that is making your underarms look like this? Do you have acanthosis nigricans that can make your skin look like this? And do you also know infections like these can also make your skin look like this? Well, there could be many reasons and triggers for thickening and darkening of the body parts, which is why it's very important for you to get yourself medically diagnosed to treat the underlying concern and also change your habits if there are any habits that are triggering the pigmentation. Once we treat the underlying medical concern, then we move on to treat the residual pigmentation and thickening of the skin. And for that, we need certain ingredients like exfoliants that help in taking care of the thickening of the skin. We need depigmenting ingredients like these that help in taking care of the pigmentation. And we also need hydrating ingredients that keeps the skin nourished. Fixderma's Nigrifix can fix this problem as it has many of these ingredients. Retinol, which helps in improving the skin cell turnover. It also has lactic acid, urea, glycerin, which help in exfoliating gently while keeping the skin hydrated for longer periods of time. This very property is very important, especially when we are treating sensitive body parts like underarms. So do give this product a try if you have thickening and darkening of any of the body parts, and let me know what you think. Follow for more skin and hair care tips.